So over here, you can see that I got some image blocks added in right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to change around the image properties. In that case, you can simply click on an image right here. And over here, you can see that Ask AI is an option. You can go around and comment on it, work around with alignment and so forth right here. If I were to go for alignment, you can see that I can change around the alignment of this image. Well, let me just go around first right here and change around, let's say, for example, some properties of this image that I have right here. So let me just go around on and see that right now you can see that this particular image right here, I can simply click and drag it out to resize, and everything is being resized on the center. But I can go around, align it to the left or right according to how I want as well. Simply go ahead and do that. I can add a comment on this particular image as well if I want to. So you can see that I can also add in a caption to this image right here, just like this, just below the image right there, just like that. Let me just go ahead and remove it, which is associated with the image, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead right here and expand the image as well to view it full screen right here, just like this as well, and view the images on the page as a gallery as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. You can download the image and you can also see different options for the image right here. Like, for example, you can add a link to it or even ask AI, access Ask AI from over here, just like this, as you can see right here. But these are not directly related to the images that you see. So you can go ahead and expand it and change it around according to how you want. You can resize it out right here. And you can, let's say, for example, move it to the side right here, just like this, and even move it across right here, just like this, so that I have a sort of a gallery right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the image block properties inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe